The COMAC C919 has successfully completed its inaugural commercial flight with China Eastern Airlines, marking a significant milestone in China's efforts to establish its own aircraft manufacturing capabilities. The C919, along with other aircraft in the COMAC family, is the result of years of meticulous research, development, testing, and production. Designed to seat over 150 passengers, the twin-engine C919 competes in a highly competitive sector dominated by established companies like Airbus and Boeing. With a range of up to 5,555 kilometers, or 3,452 nautical miles, the C919 directly challenges popular aircraft models such as the Airbus A320neo and the Boeing 737 MAX. COMAC's objective is to solidify its position as a leading aircraft manufacturer in the region and attract more airlines to their growing fleet. While the majority of C919 orders come from state-owned Chinese airlines, COMAC aims to expand its market presence beyond China and Asia. Despite some initial challenges in penetrating international markets, COMAC remains determined to attract customers worldwide. As the C919 program progresses, it will be interesting to see how successful COMAC is in competing against industry giants Airbus and Boeing. Your feedback on the C919's first commercial flight with China Eastern Airlines and your thoughts on the future of this aircraft are welcome in the comments section. The COMAC C919, Boeing, and Airbus are all major players in the commercial aircraft manufacturing industry. While each company has its strengths and market positions, there are notable differences between them. The COMAC C919 is China's ambitious attempt to enter the commercial aircraft market. As a newcomer, COMAC aims to compete with established manufacturers like Boeing and Airbus. The C919 is designed to be a direct competitor to aircraft models like the Airbus A320 and the Boeing 737. It offers modern features, fuel efficiency, and a competitive range. However, COMAC still faces challenges in terms of gaining international market acceptance and establishing a strong track record. Boeing and Airbus, on the other hand, have long-standing reputations and a significant market presence. They have a wide range of aircraft models catering to various market segments and customer requirements. Boeing's 737 and Airbus's A320 families have a proven track record and are widely used by airlines around the world. These manufacturers have established a strong customer base and benefit from extensive service networks and support. In terms of technological advancements, Boeing and Airbus have invested heavily in research and development. They continually introduce improvements and innovations in their aircraft, such as fuel efficiency, advanced avionics, and passenger comfort. They also have established relationships with suppliers and a robust supply chain, allowing for efficient production and delivery. When it comes to global market share, Boeing and Airbus dominate the industry. They have a vast customer base comprising airlines from various regions, including both major and regional carriers. Their extensive experience, brand recognition, and wide product range give them a competitive edge. In summary, while the COMAC C919 shows promise as China's entry into the commercial aircraft market, it still has a long way to go to compete with the established market leaders Boeing and Airbus. Boeing and Airbus have a solid reputation, strong market presence, and a wide range of proven aircraft models. However, as COMAC continues to develop and refine its products, it may gain traction and potentially disrupt the industry's dynamics in the future. It has been reported that COMAC has faced accusations of acquiring technology and design knowledge from Airbus and Boeing through various means, including partnerships, joint ventures, and collaborations with international suppliers and manufacturers. The aviation industry is highly competitive, and companies often engage in partnerships and collaborations to share knowledge and expertise for mutual benefit. Some collaborations may involve technology transfer agreements that are conducted within the legal framework and with appropriate intellectual property protections in place. It is worth mentioning that intellectual property rights and technology protection are critical considerations for aircraft manufacturers. Both Airbus and Boeing closely guard their proprietary technologies and innovations through patents, trade secrets, and contractual agreements. They have sophisticated measures in place to protect their intellectual property and may take legal action if they believe their rights have been violated. In conclusion, the COMAC C919 represents China's ambitious entry into the commercial aircraft manufacturing sector. While it aims to compete with industry giants like Airbus and Boeing, there are significant differences in terms of market presence, technological advancements, and global customer base. The future success of the C919 will depend on factors such as technological advancements, safety certifications, customer acceptance, and competitive pricing. As the aviation industry evolves, it will be interesting to see how COMAC navigates these challenges and establishes itself in the global market. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.